Yo, what is up everybody? Yeah, I know it's been a while because it's been like what? I think it's been like 3-4 months since my last video. Today I'm gonna be putting these on. I just picked these up from my boy Omar. As you can see, it still has like the wrap that he had on his car, but it is called the Carbon Signal V2 Fenders, if I'm not mistaken, because it comes with this flap right here on both sides, and it has the vents. It's a full carbon, so I'm gonna take the wrap off once it's on the car, but right now I'm gonna try to put it on the car without taking off the whole side skirts because it's too much. But if it doesn't work, then I'm just gonna take everything off. But for now I'm gonna take out the front bumper, the front of the side skirts. I'm gonna try to like just drop it down a little bit, but yeah, so let's do it. So you gotta take the headlights off too, because the fenders are bolted to the headlights. So now I gotta take it off real quick. So there's 1, 2, 3. I think that's it. 3 on top and then like 3 on the bottom, and that 2 over there. So I'm gonna take that real quick, take that off real quick. Now I might just like drop this down. I got it like, I just dropped this side of the side skirt. And there's like 1 bolt right there. There's 1 behind right here. And then there's another one right there. And I think it should come off now. That's it. The fender's off. So now I'm gonna put the new fenders. So the Z turn signal pops right in the back, and now I'm gonna like slap it on the car. So I had to take the fender liners off because it hits the fender. Since it has this vent right here, the fender liner sticks out like up to here. So I took it out, and now I'm bare metal. Like damn, I feel bad for my Z. But it is what it is. I gotta deal with it, and now I gotta put it back together. Now that's how it looks like, but now I gotta peel the wrap off to reveal the carbon fiber. So the fenders are on, took the wrap off too, and this is how it looks like. So now I'm gonna do the other side real quick, and I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing, but I'm gonna show you like how it looks like after. So I'll see you guys later. So it's the next day of the fenders install. I didn't get to finish the video yesterday because the sunset caught me, but I'm gonna show you how it looks like on my car right now. So this is how it looks like fitment wise. It's not perfect, but it looks pretty good to me. As you can see right here, it's like sticking up like that. But the reason is I couldn't fix it because it was dark already. So I'm gonna fix it like one of these days. And also, I'm still debating if I'm gonna leave it like a full carbon look, or like wrap this part right here and just leave this part carbon in the vents. So I don't know. So pretty much this is how my car looks like now. I have the carbon hood. Shout out to Carbon Plug, Sebastian. I have the carbon fenders, carbon mirror caps, carbon pillars. I still need the carbon door handles though, and the carbon wing. So I'm gonna show you like a quick walk around in my car of like how it looks like now. That's pretty much it for this video. I know it's just a short video. I just wanted to put something up, but I'm definitely gonna put more soon. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.